Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanya and we are fashion. So in today's video I have an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while. Now this is an item I have been wanting for a little while now. Had the item for a couple of months. Process of moving, couldn't share, but I want to share it with you guys today. And the item I'm referring to is from Louis Vuitton. Please forgive me for the bag. It's a little beat up and a little raunchy, but trust me, it's authentic. So let's start off with the receipts. Receipt. Here's the receipts. Nobody think that's it's not authentic, and it is. Okay. I have been looking for this item for a while on the pre-love market. Couldn't find it. So I just went into the store, looked around, saw it, tried it on, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love jewelry. I love, gold jewelry, silver jewelry, mixing my metals. And the item that I have is definitely spring, and it's a spring and summer vibe. But again, I've been wanting this item for a while and I finally have it. And I have two of them. Yes, two of them. Can anyone guess what's in these boxes? I'll wait. So let's get into the unboxing. This first one here, this is how she looks. Cute little baggie, which is super cute. Like, you don't have to have it just laying out. You can put it right in this bag. Good for traveling. And I love it. So, what's in here? Can anyone guess? Nah, just joking. But what I wanted to share is this cute little bracelet. Absolutely love. It's such a vibe, especially spring and summer, going into fall. This would look so cute, like with your sweatpants, your short sleeve shirts, your tank tops, and I'm just getting ready for the spring and summer. And I just can't wait. But when I went into the store, I immediately fell in love with this bracelet. It fits me really, really nicely. And I can't wait to start my stack because I'm starting it with my favorite brand, which is Louis Vuitton. And I absolutely love that. And then this one here, super cute. I just love these boxes. It's so cute. And I just love to like stack them, It's just such a vibe. I absolutely love it. So this is the second one. And this one here to me is a classic. Absolutely love the bar with the Louis Vuitton logo all around the bracelet. It's small. It's cute stacked with that one. And it's a vibe, and I love it so much. So this is the start of my luxury bracelets haul. So yes guys, super cute, super dainty. I can't wait to wear these bracelets for the spring and summer with my cute little outfits, my cute little shorts, my cute dresses. It's gonna be a lot. Yeah. Can't wait. And yes guys, that is it. Just a quick little mini haul that I wanted to share. So this is the end of this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe to your great channel if you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.